Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Right now, I'm about to show you exactly all of the bulbs that the big stores are going to have in your local stores as well. The great thing as of right now, in the stores, you're going to be able to find bare roots, you're going to find bulbs, and as well rhizomes in the store. The asparagus right here, these are asparagus roots. They're about 3 years old already. Win-win. You get four for $4, so $1 per root. The next thing up is garlic. Right here they have different varieties of garlic that you can go ahead and start in your garden. Whether you know it or not, you can plant garlic twice a year. Same thing goes for your alliums. This year I plan on planting red, yellow, and white onions. I normally just plant the red and the yellow. Now, I do not prefer you guys to buy the bulbs. I like to buy the plants or either start it from seed. Now, I do have videos on how to go ahead and start them from seed, and as well, I do have videos on how to grow them from plant to making sure that they're off to a great start. So if you plan on growing them from seed, it's pretty easy, and as well, buying the plants whole as well is a good deal. Right now, you can go ahead and purchase your potatoes. These are seed potatoes. I do just go ahead and go to the grocery department and get a bag of produce potatoes, wash them, chip them, and let them sprout. Or I'll just keep the ones that I have from my previous year, chip them, and get them ready for the spring garden. Sweet potatoes, same thing that I would do. I would go over to the produce section and get a big bag so I can get a little bit more for my money, and I would do the same thing, and I would go ahead and sprout those so I can get starts. And here is the bags of strawberries. I do recommend if you're going to get the strawberries, check inside your bags to see if they have growth. This is the best time to get them as soon as they come in on the shelf. I do not recommend trying to get them later on. Get them when they first get to the store. So that will tell you that the plants are nice, healthy, and strong in those bags. Over time, they will deplete because they'll dry out so bad that you might not end up with anything that's worth planting. Or you could purchase plugs. They do sell them on Amazon if you guys are interested in those. So here's some beautiful caladiums. I do like the caladiums. They're not cold hardy. Alright, so they're a little bit different than an elephant ear. They look almost similar, but they're not. And they won't come back, not in this zone that I am in. Okay, elephant ears will come back perfectly here, but not the caladiums. So right here you have some Adriatic lilies, and then you have here is some gladiolas. Here is some beautiful peonies. Oh my goodness, the peonies are gorgeous. I love the double layered peonies. They're just gorgeous. These are perennial. That means they're going to come back every year. Now I do have one peony out in my greenhouse. I'm hoping that it does come back. We will see, because I did have it in a container and I did neglect that container, so I'm hoping those peonies come back. Here are some dahlias. I do have one pot of dahlias as well. I might need to plant up just a little bit more. I probably would purchase just a little bit so that I can have inside of the greenhouse. Got some begonias, some more caladiums. Which you guys can see, this is all the caladiums separate. So if you want a different style, you can always have that particular one. And as well, you guys can see you have some cannas, and this is a variegated canna. I love this polka dot dragon, or you want to say, I would say tiger print cannas, very, very pretty. And then we have a ton of dahlias. I absolutely love dahlias. I think I need to put a little bit more dahlias in my garden. They're just a stunning flower. And then right below here, we have elephant ears, aka calocasia. They're beautiful. They are a great height element in your garden. They absolutely love water. And I have mine by the AC unit, and they absolutely thrive there. And they thrive over there in the back garden as well, where water likes to pool at. So they work great there. And look at these gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God, this color right here is just stunning. This gladiola is gorgeous. If y'all can link something that I'm looking for in the description box, I am looking for black elephant ears. If you guys know an actual site that actually sell the black elephant ears and not a gimmick, because I have literally seen reviews where they're not getting what they say. So if you guys actually know a actual site that can help me find black elephant ears, okay? More dahlias, lovely, lovely, lovely. They're miniature ones. They have different types out there as well when it comes down to the size of dahlias and peonies. I just think this is really, really different. And this can, I've never seen this color. I've always seen it in orange. I've always seen it in yellow, but I've never seen it in a pink. Then right here, you have here is some lilies. The bleeding heart. Some clematis. I think this clematis right here is pretty. I'm normally seeing this one, the purple one here, in that shaped flower, but not the rounded clematis. Have ton of hostas, ferns. I think I'm going to grow some more hostas. I've been planting some around the border of my sand pit, and I think I need to pop in some more and just grow a little bit more diversity around there. Look at this. This is different. I'm thinking this grows pretty tall too. I see that a lot of bulbs are pretty reasonable still this year. I noticed that they did take away some bulbs where the packets are not as full, but I've seen a lot of one bulbs too, you guys. I don't know how I feel about that one, buying just one bulb. But they do have a lot of varieties out that you can choose from online. Sometimes you can find them and they're a little bit more expensive, but I have seen a great diversity in the stores where you can purchase different varieties of bulbs. Oh, look at this one. So my daughter's name is Iris, and I'm thinking this is very, very pretty. I like all four of them, but the pink, my daughter loves pink, and I like pink a lot too, so we might have pink irises instead of with the blue irises. I like these pink ones, so we might come back and purchase those. All right, you guys, that is it. All right, you guys, we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour of all the bulbs that they have in stock. So head over to your local stores. And remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Happy gardening.